event going live in the Indian Fight League, brought to you by Anthony Pettis Fighting Championship. Edukondal
145 pounds, but he's closer to 170 on fight night. Both these men are really, this is his moment because tactical controlled fighter, it breaks their rhythm.
Yeah.
So the more you keep him guessing, he's going to try and tire him out in the clinch, maybe look for...
So significantly taller than his opponent. He is almost got a 20 centimeter reach advantage, which is not something that you see very often.
Landed a few shots, he was the first. He took the center, a little troublesome. Underhooks for Rao now. Changes levels, very well done by Rao. Angami back to his feet though.
Well defended by Angami.
Oh, big brutal elbow, stepping in.
But Edukondal with a counter left of his own.
You got to watch out with these men as they separate.
You know, Edukondal is a strong man. Like,
no, even both these guys are in great shape.
He's probably clocking in around 160, 170 tonight. Oh! Oh, a Superman punch
kick.
attempt.
Beautiful elbows again and straight to side control.
And Angami definitely finding his way back onto.
But great job by Edukondal controlling the posture and pace.
Hyderabad Northeast, which is Artem versus the Afghan Lion.
And I like the fact that Edukondal Rao is giving him no room to work. Changing levels.
Big
elbow.
good slice.
Barring that one elbow that landed from Nitsu Angami. And Edukondal Rao to the body, to the head.
Oh!
Beautiful spin kick. 360 wheel kick.
And Nitsu another probably a small cut, is it? On
It's the same cut. I think it's the same cut that's bleeding on Edukondal's back. It's Angami's nose.
Yeah,
Nitsu
but
Angami
of course,
looking at that Kimura trap, trying to turn it around.
Edukondal with another takedown.
He's
in the mount
now. This is a bad position for Angami. Big elbow by Edukondal Rao. Nitsu giving up his back. Oh, this might be a bad position. Edukondal gets an arm under the neck. If he can wrap his hands around. Oh, but the sweaty, this slipped off.
No, and also you can't do it when a round is still going.
But you see the way Edukondal Rao is swaying.
This is not good for Nitsu Angami.
Oh, this is bad for Nitsu Angami. Angami needs to get moving here.
It is raining punches.
Tries to clinch with Edukondal Rao, but Edukondal with the pressure, stepping in with those elbows.
What is happening here? It seems as if the doctor said Nitsu Angami was not fit to go on to the third round.
I am not quite sure what happened here.
I'm not sure if it was the call.
But I don't understand why there was a...
Edukondal Rao has moved up to 5 wins in his professional mixed martial arts career. As you can see him on top of the...
Ref Rishikesh called to stop this fight after round 2. And the winner by TKO due to a corner stoppage, Edukondal Ilbada Rao.
There it is.
Roundhouse kick and some of those, which is battered Nitsu Angami.
And also in the final 30 seconds when Edukondal was just throwing all guns blazing and the referee has just called off the fight. What is happening here? It seems as if the doctor said Nitsu Angami was not fit to go on to the third round.
I am not quite sure what happened here.
I'm not sure if it was the corner
or the stoppage.
It was the doctor.
But on the basis of what? We need to know what happened, why it was a doctor's stoppage. I guess we'll find out in a little bit. But I don't understand why there was a...
Nitsu Angami not seeming to be contesting the decision.
I mean, he seems fine. He seems to be walking out okay. Is it his nose? Is it broken?
I don't know if it was just a
his eye. Is it what? I don't quite know what's happened.
Regardless of the outcome now, Edukondal Rao has moved up to 5 wins in his professional mixed martial arts career. As you can see him on top of the cage, taking a moment to savor in the love that he's got.
And just walked out in front of us. Didn't wait for the decision, nothing. The referee called off the fight by a doctor's stoppage. I want to know what exactly happened though.
But for now...
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Rishikesh called to stop this fight after round 2. And the winner by TKO due to a corner stoppage, Edukondal Ilbada Rao.
There it is. As to why the fight was stopped, it wasn't the
Educonda.
doctor who butted in, but it was
That
his corner.
was a
Let's go back to
dominating
the page.
performance right from the very beginning. You showed pure heart. You've come back into the game, and it looks like you're here to stay. What are you feeling right now, and what's going through your mind?
I think I lost like in time, but I just took a break to sharpen myself and come back as all-rounder. People think me, oh, just a striker, oh, just a grappler. We took a grappler. Now I work my hard with Roshan Bhai. My Sahil, he did me help me a lot for this, and Kantaraj Bhai, and all the people who came to help me here, just to prove that age doesn't matter. Fuck, I'm not just 30 years old, so nothing is going to happen. Listen. It's not just my one fight, like not just mine fight. The entire India has to shine internationally. No fighter in India could do something great. I want every Indian, every person to inspire this, and not just MMA. Listen. Not just MMA. Any sports. Fuck with education. Any sport. India has to be top. India has to be top. Not, I don't like some other country dominating us. It's fucking insulting for us because we are the mother of everything. Science, literature, art. What else? The life itself in Indian. Nothing else. Okay, last. Bharat Mata Ki. And
All right. Yes, definitely. I'm not letting you go. Yes, you have time with me. I'm not letting you go. You look really sharp there. We're going to see much more of you. I'm very, very sure in the coming time. What I want, yes, you can. Definitely. I know you want to call out somebody, and I know that you're waiting for that. Let's calm ourselves down, and let's have a good call out. Come on, let me know what is going through your mind.
I'm sorry for Krishna Saruf. When I went to Tamifan, I did say a lot, but I couldn't keep my word up, so I lost there. So it's my redemption, and I want a match with Badakshi in MFN.
Badakshi.
I'm sure Krishna will think about that. Can we have that once again?
Huh? I want to call up Badakshi for fight in MFN. True Krishna ma'am, she believed me a lot. Last time when I fought in MFN duel, I couldn't keep up, I lost. Just because I sucked with wrestling, I'm working on it more and more in wrestling and everything. So I want to prove her in front of everybody. I'm an all-rounder, I'm not done yet. You're going to see me in the biggest, not just I'm an average player. You're going to remember me for next thousands of years. Remember my name, Educonda Rao.
That's it. I'm sure Krishna will remember that. Thank you, Educonda. Ladies and gentlemen, your co-main event winner, Educonda Rao.